Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo Device to Oppo A53S. Start by opening Play Store on both devices and tapping on the search bars. Now simply type in Send Anywhere and download this Send Anywhere app from this developer. After that, open it. From here you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on this Oppo device. And now we can finally click on receive on Oppo A53S and send on this Oppo smartphone. Now tap on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you will transfer all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one. For example, that photo, just send and click on got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key here and tap on receive. But we can also click on the scanning icon over here, choose while using the app or only this time in the pop-up. I will show you, so I will go with this one instead. Click on the scanning icon, choosing allow and pointing device's camera at the code. And now, after a couple of seconds, either way, I can see that my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!